Hey guys, today we are doing a Dollar Tree DIY. We are actually just using picture frames, present bags, and oh yes, gift bags. And that's it. Maybe some tape, maybe some glue. Oh, and scissors. That is it. So, just so you guys are aware, this video is in collaboration with my super sweet friend Frances from Wife Stuff, and put some information in the next clip about Frances. But just so you guys know, she is also a YouTuber, one of my besties here on YouTube. She is one of the sweetest people I know and super genuine. MPS, she's a little bit more cuckoo than I am. So I hope that you guys enjoy her channel. I will link her channel and her video down below, doing something very similar. Well, okay, not similar. She is doing a DIY. I have no idea what it is that she is doing, but it is going to be from all Dollar Tree products or just stuff that she found around her house. So let's go ahead and show you stuff about Frances and get on into this video. Just so y'all are aware, cuckoo is the best quality, and I am so excited that I get to do this journey with Frances. You guys, she is a beautiful, beautiful woman. She is a Christian mama, a Christian wife, and her YouTube reflects the truest version of who she is, and I am super excited to be doing this collaboration with her. Thank you, Frances. Alrighty guys, so we're just kind of doing a dry run. I saw somebody else do this, so I figured my girls and I could do it too. Hopefully it goes smoothly. Can you take the backs off of all of these? The rest of the video is going to be a voiceover because I have no idea how easy this is going to be or how hard it is going to be. But the rest of it's going to be a voiceover. So I'm going to stop talking now and the gift bags and put them into the frames. That way, that was a little bit of some Christmas decor. We have all of our decor packed away and we are not going to unpack it for one day. I know a lot of people love to have Christmas decor up for a month and a half. I am not that girl. I love the decor. I love the way that it looks, but my house is not in order the way that I want it to be. So it's just going to stress me out to pull all of those things out. So I saw somebody on TikTok do this easy DIY. So I will link that TikTok down below if I can find it. And we just decided that we were going to make a super simple DIY. So we cut the pictures out, put the pictures in the frame, put the frames back together, and that was that. You guys, it was super cheap. So 4 frames, 2 bags, and a couple of other things would have been like $10 at the dollar store. This was super fun. My kids want to go ahead and make some more. So if we do that, I will go ahead and put that down. Sorry, not down, but in my This girl does. All of her videos are phenomenal. Her personality is so, so inspiring. And you guys, every single time I talk to her, she makes me laugh. So I cannot wait to see what she comes up with. And I cannot wait to just post these videos, read what people have to say about her, read what people have to say about me, and just be in life with this girl. She is somebody who I feel like everybody can look up to and everybody can learn things from. She just is such an inspiration to me, and I am so thankful that God put her in my path. Ellie and I did those three snowmen, and then Taya did this super cute red truck with some trees behind it. And then Ellie and I decided we were going to cut out a few more trees as some little accent pictures, and they turned out so stinking cute. And you guys, the best part of this whole entire thing was that I got to spend the time with these two girls, laughing, dancing, bantering back and forth, loving on each other, building each other up, and creating something that we didn't have before we started this video. So it was a lot of fun. You can see that the girls are super proud and had so much fun doing it with me. So I am so glad that I get to incorporate these types of things in my YouTube channel, and I get to make memories with my kids while I am doing something that I am super passionate about.